What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Brandon. Guys, it's Brandon. And today, you can tell, we're doing some car stuff already. I'm working on the Toyota. Brian's working on his Lexus. He's actually going to be rolling the rears. And I need to change my steering rack and pinion bushings. As you can see right there. Because whenever I drive, the car shakes a little bit. Hopefully that's the issue. If not, then it's going to be a rack and pinion, which I don't want to deal with. Brian's over here shaving down because you can see his tires here. No good. That's a no good. We just get a little cheese grater and just smooth it out, yeah. But Brian's gonna be working on that. I'm working on, like I said, the Toyota, and hopefully make the same drive 100%. Because I ain't gonna lie, she do be shaking. So we're gonna start working on this. I'm gonna go ahead and get it up in the air, and then it's go time, brother. We had to take a little delay ski because the middle joint, what is even is that, like the bushing is stuck, which you guys really can't see there. So we got two bushings out. We got the big one and then the one on the far left, but we had to go pick up a ball joint presser because the middle ones had like a little batch. Hello? What? Don't tell O'Reilly's I broke that. But I had to pick that up so we can get the middle one out. I'll show you guys when we're under the car. $160 just for that.
We're gonna push him in these weird stuff.
That's all it was. That's all she wrote. That was definitely fucked up. Yep, it's time to put the new ones in. We got all 3 of them off, so now we're gonna go put the new ones in. Yeah, this angle's pretty good right here. Making you look good. Oh shit.
Yep. I want to be a whore. Well, there goes all that work. So it's been a while since
I think I do need an alignment though.
Probably.
Look at the wheel.
Was it straight before?
Yeah. It was actually a little to the right. Oh no, she rides a lot better. I can tell just going over these little things.
Sorry, with a shake?
Yeah, it was like...
With death mobile?
Yeah, dude, it was kind of scary actually. We would drive on the freeway and it'd be pretty scary. Oh hell yeah. Oh hell yeah, bud. Definitely need alignment though.
Sorry, here's a car clarification. My Lexus is the exact same way.
Really?
Yeah, it's to the left.
Dude, I didn't think that was gonna make that big of a difference.
Yeah. Honestly, I think it was that top one. The one in the middle.
Yeah. Dude, it was fucked. Like, and it felt like it was getting worse too. I guess the major chance is gonna be the freeway. What is that? Is that my belts?
Might have to tell you more.
Oh yeah. Just going over that too, felt good. She rocks and she rolls. Now she needs to go off roading.
Thank you.
Yeah, I need an alignment though. I'll probably get one up. Huh? That's the front for sure. Hard, eh?
Hard, huh?
It's about almost a week later. Pretty much haven't finished the video. I'm not going to show you guys my face too much because I just woke up and your boy is a little crusty. But I came down here to check on my lower ball joints just to kind of test them out. And you guys know the infamous 4Runner is known for it. I'm still kind of getting a tad bit of shaking when driving. So I'm trying to eliminate the process. And I know the biggest failure on this car is the lower ball joints. So I'm trying to take a look at them, see if they're bad, see if I need to replace them. But honestly, just by looking here, let me show you guys. So got the shovel underneath, and what you need to do is move it. Just looking at the ball joint, it looks super solid. So that one I would say is good. I mean, there's like no movement at all. I even put this thing in there just to try to see if I can play with it, and that one's good. So I still ordered some anyways. I did order some OEM ones. I'm gonna test the other one right now, but I did order some OEM ones. So just because I don't know when these were replaced out, and I don't want to take the chance of it breaking apart and coming off on me. So I'm just doing some preventative maintenance on this car. But I'm still getting a tad bit of shaking. I don't know if maybe it could be the upper ball joints or anything, because I know if you look right here, those are pretty shot out. So I'm pretty sure those aren't good anymore. So I'll probably have to replace those as well. But haven't really been able to record and Cali because it's raining, and as you can tell, it's actually starting to sprinkle right now. So I might not be able to get to the other side. But I'm gonna check it out, see what's going on, and I'll talk to you guys in just a bit. Well, you guys really can't tell, but it is starting to sprinkle a lot more. You can see a little bit of it. So I can't even check the other side, and I don't have a jacket on. But I'm pretty sure those are good. Like I said, I checked the lower ball joints, or the upper ball joints, and those seem like they're worse. So might have to get some of those on order too. But like I said, just trying to do as much preventative stuff as I can, because this is a daily. As you can see, I got the windows tinted as well, so your boy's no longer running around in a fishbowl. Yeah, I mean, this is pretty much going to be the end of the video. I asked you guys on Instagram if you guys wanted to see me work on the 4Runner more, or the SI, which is over there. A lot of you guys said the SI, so I will get to that. I just want to make sure this is 100% before I do anything, because I don't want this to break down while I'm working on that, and then I got to fix this too. So eventually, I do want to get the K24 swapped and in there in the SI, but this one, just want to make sure it's 100% before we do anything. So like I said, just doing all the preventative stuff. Yeah, California is a little wet today, so your boy can't finish up what he wanted to do, which kind of sucks. Oh god, I'm running out here. Oh, that's actually a lot worse than I thought. But I'm pretty sure that side's good. I'm just, you know, the rain kind of sucks a little bit. But if you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you guys want to see more 4Runner content, let me know. I'm down to produce more. Because honestly, this has been the best car I bought. So obviously, like I said, just some preventative stuff, but we'll be good. Welcome to part 2 of this video. I was going to make like 2 separate videos, but I just figured why not just make one long video you guys can enjoy. We got the 4Runner in the garage. First of all, I want to give a shout out to Nancy for clearing out the garage so we can work in here. But I got some parts. If you guys own a 3rd gen, and if you guys know anything about 3rd gens, the lower ball joints are known for failing. And I don't know when these were last changed. If you guys remember the last clip, I was testing them, but then it started to rain a little bit. And then I also got some inner tie rods, because the shaking that I am feeling is from the inner tie rods. So I believe. And it's going to be, this one's the worst one that's shaking pretty bad. So I kind of figured I knew something was up, but hopefully this is the fix and we can fix it. Got Brian here with me. Hopefully we can get everything done today, so your boy can get him in alignment, because I haven't been driving the car. I've been driving the beautiful SI over there. I miss just driving an automatic car. So we're gonna go ahead and knock this out and show you guys. Damn, dark as hell, the process. So we pretty much already started without showing you guys anything, but we took off the wheel tire. Obviously you want to take off the calcium that's sitting here, and then you want to pretty much bang this out so you can get your little rod ski out. Now I thought this was more fucked than what it was, but yeah, that may not be the issue anymore. So I don't know, we're trying to figure it out. There's a mean shaking that's going on, so I thought maybe that was it when I was doing that little test where you put your hands 3 to 9 and you shake it, but I don't know, we'll find out. We got one lower ball joint out, thumbnail. Got one out, and then we got the inner tie rod in there as well. So now it's pretty much just rinse and repeat. Some little spillage. It'll be alright though. But where's the inner? Hello. It's about a few hours later, and your boy figured out what the issue was. If you guys look under here, right there, that little guide, which is the rack and pinion guide, wasn't loose. That is the original one that came obviously from '96. They did make a newer style that they recommend you replace. Obviously this car hasn't had that done, so I ended up tightening that up, and my shake is like completely gone. So it wasn't the inner or outer tie rods, which I actually thought it was the inner, but this side was shaking more than the other side was. By doing more research, obviously you guys can tell it's been a couple hours since we picked up the camera. Found out that was the issue. alignment's fucked right there. But I'm pretty sure we found the culprit to our problem, and it was just that steering rack guide. So I'm gonna order like the newer one, but that still means that I have to lift it. Right, Brian? Isn't that what that means?
Oh.
Like we gotta lift it? Yeah. I agree. Okay, I don't know about kinks. But yeah, so now it's pretty much need to get in alignment, which is too late for that now. But I'm glad that I found the issue, I found the problem. I'm gonna take it for a little spinny and see if that really was the issue. But I knew the problem always stemmed from the left side, which is why I thought it was the inner tie rod, but it actually was the guide itself. So I'm glad that that's tightened up. Let's take it for a little spin and see how she does.
Cannon.
That be Molly Rock.